Stop over, ladies and gentlemen, stop over. Palawan Angel BGM store. We're going to purchase something that I don't know what it is. We are going to purchase something that we don't know what it is. You know, ngayon lang tayo sir magiging parang buang. Sabi ko sa'yo, it depends on the condition and the environment. Whenever I go to a borderland, I feel like, not the people me, it's about me. I feel like I'm baryote. Kasi nga, naglalakad ako sa baryo. And then I enjoy that moment. Do you know what I'm talking about? I'm not talking about the people. I'm not even talking about the borderland. I'm talking about the experience. So let's see. Uy, anong bilhin natin? Wala tayong makakain dyan.
Let's go.
Guys, anong kain?
We wouldn't know, please.
Ha? Meron din po kaming mga kasamahan yung may sarili silang drink tapos sila lang, hindi sila nag-share. Ito yan, ito yung moment.
This is the reason why nahuli ako.
Guys! What happened to my rice? It dropped. Kasi naman nakasakay kami sa pinakamagandang truck. Nagtumbling-tumbling. Oh! Nandun na nalaglag. Guys, I need some sponsor to buy me a better bag and a better container. Nagtumbling talaga siya, guys. We're going to be teaching some students in a remote area. That's why we're here. Paano ba yan? Oh, wag yung baggain yung bag ko, ha?